Maraming sa family foude AMARU jami doro baka nga yung video and tidak wabor wa stave Klaroeng ang Dree Sara. Isa ko lang naman yung Klaroeng ang Dree Sara. To so ang chipis salt meti, to so ang chipis Dree fisi ana ang chipis ajuma. Boy! Weti den atide. Ma before supsa gwenen na kukru, before u start na bore, before u start na patu. Mimji unuan tori. Once I rekap sa, once mapotwan bericht tatapwam de video of me. En het bericht was niet zo mals. Nee, want als Marie dat aan een valk had sandat adumi voor zijn schrijven. Maar kom tegen zijn schrijven. Als mijn schrijf dat ja, en ik denk dat ik niet sap dat nengre, no zo Hollands, en me wakai peri walo Amerikaan en een lop van mij tachi. We, mem taiji unu wan sanja so tide. Mi na wan kankan para mang. Mi kumbat te bera para maneng rosop ching. En mi magliba bakra konre, mano lasius refi, de aguf mi lek abakam yesi de libi. Oké dan. No wichi na inji na piyay na nga na aisa. Want te nap kapalasiyo yere borman tongo. Aja kasa. Na fu fruktu. Sebre fata bongo bita sa pagkara base kon chamado rai. Na mofo na murs kontwan yere tagbacha wafisi. Awang bumijolo isang brukuf ko sayong mananga yupaf kontege mi stront. Minodanga walo werede, minodanga walo jugu, minodanga walo ambarang. Or ala you heavy na you. No konsaka de na mi mofodoro. Want mi ogo kakauro you. En mi mofodoti. Isi me laf pir miti filektes kapunyantara. Ma mi mofodoti. En mi masaptak mi mofodoti. Mi maalte tetegis matak. Betri mek oto nak you. Ino mek AMARU kos you. Dus me was koru no de. Uno karnagari. Uno sukumi anatrobi. Oké dan. Wanaf di me pre Amerikaan met me sagomoro faran in Engels. You guys, I'm gonna continue this video in English. Sometimes you have to read people their rights. Sometimes you have to rip people a complete new a-hole. Okay, and that's what I just did in my native language. And just an FYI, I speak 7 languages fluently, including English. Yeah, so on this episode of Food and the Single Guy, I'm gonna cook some callaloo. In my country, it is also known as Klaroeng. And I'm gonna cook this with some dried shrimp. Of course, as per me, I'm gonna list all the ingredients in the information box below the video for your convenience. So without further ado, let us continue. Okay, you guys, so what I have here is my fresh callaloo, and this is what the leaves look like. And this right here, by the way, is one of the flowers. You don't eat the flowers, all right? So next what we're gonna do, we're simply going to pick the leaves from the stem, just like so. And then we're gonna wash the leaves, upon which we're going to cook them. So let me go ahead and do that. And when it's all done, I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, I'm almost done picking the vegetables, but I wanted to give you a close-up so you could see what I'm talking about. You simply pick it apart just like so. Let me show you again. Can you see? There we go. That's it. And then when you get to the top, you see this little crown. This is a very soft part of the stem. You can just pick it apart in one piece, just like this. All right? See? So this is one piece. And the last one. There we go. And now on to the callaloo. I am filling up a clean sink with water, just like so. And then I am going to wash the callaloo, just like that. Right? You're just gonna soak it and gently rinse the leaves. And I always rinse mine once because these don't carry a lot of sand. Unlike other leafy type vegetables from my country, these don't carry a lot of sand at all. Alrighty then. So next what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the callaloo from the water, and then I'm gonna put it in a colander to drain. So these are my dried shrimp, and before we can use these shrimp, we have to soak them in some hot water. Just like that. And after about 10 minutes, these will become pliable, upon which they're ready to be cooked. Okay, you guys, so it's been about 7 minutes, and as you can see, the shrimp are very pliable. We're gonna drain the water, and then we are going to cook these babies. Okay, you guys, so you've seen me cook these types of dishes a million times before, right? So I don't think I have to do a lot of talking. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn on the cooker hood. That's gonna make some noise, as you may well know. We're then gonna saute the onion and the garlic and the Scotch bonnet pepper. And then we're gonna add the shrimp, and then we're gonna add the vegetables. Everything will be on screen, so I don't think I have to explain a hell of a lot. All right, so let us continue. Here we go. We're gonna add some black pepper. We're gonna add our vegetable stock cube. And next we're gonna add the shrimp. And after about 2 minutes after you've added the shrimp, you want to add the tomatoes. And then you cover the pan and allow this to simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes before adding the vegetables. Baby. Yeah, man. Yes. This is looking good. So now what we're gonna add is the callaloo. And you wanna add a little bit at a time. Just like that. And as you can see, you guys, just as any other leafy type vegetable, this too has been reduced to almost nothing. And you want to cook this on medium to high heat with a continuous stir for about 5 to 7 minutes. Don't cover the pan because it's going to generate a lot of fluids, and that is not what you want. We're not making soup. And of course, I'm gonna give you the final presentation in the next clip because you know how I roll. And now for the serving suggestion, you guys. Our deliciously cooked callaloo with dried shrimp. Ah, this smells so good. Oh my goodness gracious, you have no clue. And how can we not add the Scotch bonnet pepper on top? And there you have it, you guys. Another one-pan dish from my beautiful country, the Republic of Suriname in South America. If you decide to try this recipe, if you can find these vegetables in your neck of the woods and you try this recipe, let me know how it turns out because I'm always interested in hearing from you. In the meantime, do be well, take care, happy cooking, happy eating, don't add crazy to the craziness, and I will see you when I see you. Have a good one, you guys. Bye.